Mishimelon.
Let's put the right letter into the right place. Cat. Great job. I like my fluffy cat. Let's put the right letter into the right place. Dog. Awesome! Dog is a man's best friend. Let's put the right letter into the right place. Bat. Well done. A bat flies at night. Great job! We found all the sounds correctly. Let's play some card games with letters. Tap on the gift. This is the sound J. Choose a card that starts with the sound J. Great! This is a jelly. Let's try one more time. Tap on the gift. This is the sound K. Choose a card that starts with the sound K. Awesome! This is a kite. Look, another gift. Tap on the gift. This is the sound oo. Choose a card that starts with the sound oo. Good guess. This is a lion. Wow! Let's do one more gift. Tap on the gift. This is the sound H. Choose a card that starts with the sound H. Correct! This is a hat. One last one. Tap on the gift. This is the sound M. Choose a card that starts with the sound M. You are right! This is a monkey! Wow! You have found all the cards! Great job! This is a pig, but the word is missing some letters. Move the right letter to the right spot. I-P-I-G. Pig! The word is put together. Great! Move the right letter to the right spot. I-C-E. Ice! Great job! Oh no! The lion does not have letters. Move the right letter to the right spot. I-L-I-O-N. Lion. You are learning your letters. Great job!
Learn a bit.
It's time to create new words from the sounds. Let's put each letter in the correct place. Bug. You did an excellent job. Let's make another word. Pig. Awesome job, buddy. There is only one word left. Dog. Very well done.
Oh, kitty.
I think there should be some cards here. Let's find them. Tap on the gift. This is the sound ah. Choose a card that starts with the sound ah. Correct! This is an apple. Let's try one more time. Tap on the gift. This is the sound eh. Choose a card that starts with the sound eh. Great! This is an egg. Look, another gift. Tap on the gift. This is the sound eh. Choose a card that starts with the sound eh. Awesome! This is an igloo. Wow! Let's do one more gift. Tap on the gift. This is the sound Choose a card that starts with the sound ah. You are right. This is an umbrella. One last one. Tap on the gift. This is the sound ah. Choose a card that starts with the sound Good guess. This is an octopus. You have found all the cards. Great job. Let's get some sight words together. Put each letter in the right place. E, S, C. I see a pencil. Let's make another word. Put each letter in the right place. D, A, S, I. Said. He said, bye-bye. Are you ready for a new one? Put each letter in the right place. P, L, A, Y, Y. Play. We play ball. And the one last one. Put each letter in the right place. N, O, T. Not. It is not hot. Fantastic! You aced it, my friend.
Let's help to complete the word. Great job! This letter E completes the word egg.
I wonder where all the color in the detective's room went. Let's color the picture according to the letters. It looks much better. Great work, partner! Let's get some sight words together. Put each letter in the right place. Y, W, A. Away. I ran away. Let's make another word. Put each letter in the right place. F, U, N, Y. Funny! Look at the funny clown. Are you ready for a new one? Put each letter in the right place. L, I, T, L, E. Little. The mouse is little. And the one last one. Put each letter in the right place. W, E, R, H, E. Where? Where is my car? Fantastic! You aced it, my friend.
Amazing! Wow!
Let's try to write some sight words. Move the drop to trace the letter M. Move the drop to trace the letter A. Move the drop to trace the letter K. Move the drop to trace the letter E. This is how the sight word make is written. That does make sense. Let's write another word. Move the drop to trace the letter J. Move the drop to trace the letter U. Move the drop to trace the letter M. Move the drop to trace the letter P. This is how the sight word jump is written. I like to jump high. Here is a new word. Move the drop to trace the letter H. Move the drop to trace the letter E. Move the drop to trace the letter L. Move the drop to trace the letter P. This is how the sight word help is written. I will help you. And the last one? Move the drop to trace the letter D. Move the drop to trace the letter O. Move the drop to trace the letter W. Move the drop to trace the letter N. This is how the sight word down is written. We go down the street. 4 more words in your collection. Well done. Let's play some rhyming games. Find the cards that rhyme with the word hot and move them to the transport. Caught, kite, dot, hot. Hot, dot, dot, caught. Well done, my friend. Can you do it again? Find the cards that rhyme with the word pig and move them to the transport. Pig, rat, pig, fig, fig. Pig, dig, dig. Pig, wig, wig. Great work, friend. Let's get acquainted with the og word family. Og. Og. Move the letter to make up the word. Og. Hog. Fur. Og. Frog. Og. Dog. Og. Cog. Great job! That was the og word family. Today, we get acquainted with the am word family. Am. Move the letter to make up the word. Am. Yam. Am. Tram. Am. Ham. Am. Jam. Well done! That was the am word family. Let's learn about the ab word family. Ab. Move the letter to make up the word. Ab. Jab. Lab. Very well done. Ab. Crab. Ab. Cab. Great job! That was the ab word family. Let's play some sound games. Drag the picture with the beginning sound of ah. Rain, boot, umbrella. Umbrella, cool. Are you ready for a new one? Desk, up, pencil. Up, great, you did it! Let's make it even more interesting. Drag the picture with the middle sound of ah. Cup, plate, fork. Fork, cup. Wow, you did great. Great, you did it! Sun, moon, cloud. Cloud. Sun. Very good job. Hooray! And the last one? Tree, rock, bug. Bug. Woohoo! You did great. It's time to get to know the ig word family. Move the letter to make up the word. Ig. Wig. Ig. Dig. Ig. Pig. Ig. Fig. You did it so well. That was the ig word family. Are you ready to meet the in word family? In. Move the letter to make up the word. In. Win. In. Twin. In. Pin. In. Fin. You did it so well. That was the in word family. Some words are missing in the sentences. Let's fix this. Move the correct word to the sentence. Splendid job! It is a dog. Here is another sentence. Move the correct word to the sentence. Well done! Bimmy and Charlie are friends. Are you ready for another one? Move the correct word to the sentence. Great job! The pen is in her hand. And the one last one. Move the correct word to the sentence. You did an amazing job. This is a bag.